This video is for the kids. If you have kids, whether they're 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, you got to set them up to succeed. If you kick them out, which I got kicked out, but I got kicked out with no money. They're like, get out of here. And I had to figure it out, started selling cars. But what I wish would have happened is when I was 1 year old, 2 years old, 5 years old, they downloaded an app that they could invest in and put $7 in it a month, $4 in it a month, so that when they got kicked out of the house, they go, here's your check, figure it out. And you don't have to be a stock genius to do this. So what I would suggest is obviously get yourself a Robinhood app, which is going to be in the description. And once a month, if you're in Michigan, I know I got a lot of friends in Michigan, Ford stock was at $5 last week. Now it's at $7. It's a $2 gain with a $5 investment. And do that once a month for these kids that are going to be very smart. Right now, they're all at home. And you know we're not the brightest group of people. So what are we really teaching them? Like, I can't even do the math that they want these kids to figure out. And I'm dyslexic. So I'm teaching them how to read backwards. So if you do this just once a month and just let it ride. And then when he starts talking about, you're not my dad, give him that check and kick him out. And you're giving him a chance. Now, he may just blow it on drugs or something or chicks, but you did your part. And that's all you... Am I recording this video backwards? Oh, crap. I'm recording this video backwards. Well, those are my legs. These pants actually used to fit me better, but I've been growing since we've been in quarantine. But anyways, this is designed to help your children. If you're not doing that, 18 years go by fast. And some of these people are still in their parents' basements. I know 40-year-olds with roommates. I bet you their parents, mom or dad or whatever, didn't give them anything when they left the house. So when they graduate high school, get their GED or drop out, give them hope. Give them a chance. Don't touch their account either. I know people that do that. Leave your kids' money alone. It's not hard. You don't need a lot of money to invest. $5 to $7 a month. This is Stock Dummy. How do I turn this around? I don't even know how to turn it around. I'll just leave it alone. How do you turn this shit around? Oh, well. Sorry for the language. I didn't mean it. This is Stock Dummy. Like and subscribe. And put your children first by getting them a little bit of money when you kick them out.